abo abakoze applications online kandi bakaba shortlistinga. So abo twije kutinga from district ya Rwampara, Mbarara City hamwe na Mbarara district. So ezo districts eshatu nizo zayijeri izoba okuba screened ninga kugira ngo tubarebe comparing ebibatire mu application hamwe na physical nebiriho ebipapura, then tubatwera screening nke physical test, then tubateke screening ya medical, then abararabeho nibo turije kuba nitutwara kurugirira kota iyo babera batuhire hakuba ababire shortlisted nibingi munonga kusinzira kota ya buri district. So mwe turaze kwiha the best out of the best. So twine so many types of screening. Ntuza kuchebera eshagama, tuchebere uburwire bwena at a field level.